So here's how to use Canva AI image generator. If you want to have access to all the features of Canva, click on my link down in the description to get Canva Pro. So first of all, open up your web browser. After that, search and go to canva.com. You can also click on the link in the description. And once you're here, make sure you're logged in to your account. After that, click on Create a Design on the top right corner. From here, I will go with Instagram post, or you can go with whichever one that you like. Now wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, go over to the left panel and click on Photos. So here, click on the search bar and search for whatever photo type you want. I'm searching for a cup for this video. Then go through the options and choose whichever one you like. So after you add it, you need to click on the subject. Then, on the top left, you will see an option that says Edit Image. So just click on Edit Image. After that, click on Magic Edit from the options. Here, you need to brush through the entire object that you want to use the edit for. Or you can also select specific parts of the object that you want to edit. In this case, I'm brushing the entire cup to edit the whole thing. So after you're done selecting the parts you want to edit, you need to go over to the left panel and describe your edit. For this video, I'm using the prompt Change Color to Red. And once you're done typing in your prompt, click on Generate. After that, just wait for a while for Canva to edit your image. And once it's done, you can see that the cup has now turned red. You can also see some more variants on the left side that you can choose from. And that is exactly how to use Canva AI image generator. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro to access all the features of Canva. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.